The collateral murder video vividly depicts an attack carried out by a United States Apache helicopter, during which civilian casualties occurred, including the tragic deaths of journalists. This video starkly contrasts the official narratives perpetuated by military sources and the harsh realities that unfold in the theater of war. Following this incident, a military investigation exonerated the soldiers involved, asserting that they acted in compliance with the established rules of engagement. This conclusion, however, sparked a robust dialogue regarding accountability and the ethical implications surrounding military operations in conflict zones. In the aftermath of the video's release, WikiLeaks disseminated a substantial cache of military reports pertaining to the Afghan war. These documents ignited serious concerns regarding the safety and well-being of Afghan informants, thereby leading to significant controversies surrounding the organization's actions and the potential real-world ramifications of such disclosures. Additionally, the release encompassed approximately 400,000 classified files related to the Iraq War, which meticulously chronicled war atrocities and highlighted the complicity of Iraqi forces in acts of torture. Such comprehensive documentation not only shocked the global community but also ignited fervent international debates regarding the conduct of the involved parties. Furthermore, WikiLeaks made available 251,000 U.S. diplomatic cables, which included sensitive communications spanning from 1966 to 2010. These cables unveiled intricate interactions that possessed the potential to compromise U.S. diplomatic relations with various nations, thereby escalating the urgency of the information's implications. In the wake of these revelations, Julian Assange encountered numerous legal challenges, notably allegations of sexual assault, which culminated in his eventual arrest. These legal entanglements not only attracted widespread media scrutiny but also amplified the discourse surrounding the consequences of whistleblowing and the critical importance of press freedom. The case against Chelsea Manning serves as a poignant example of the tensions that persist between national security interests and the principles of whistleblowing. Manning's conviction under the Espionage Act raises significant concerns regarding the potential erosion of press freedoms in the context of governmental oversight. Assange's asylum in Ecuador extended for 7 years, a period during which he not only became a father but also maintained a prominence in international media discussions. His protracted situation underscores the intricate nature of international asylum laws and the myriad factors that influence such legal determinations. The ramifications of Russian cyber activities during the 2016 U.S. presidential election further illustrate the convergence of technology, political dynamics, and information dissemination. This intersection complicates the ongoing narrative surrounding Assange and WikiLeaks, highlighting broader geopolitical implications. The legal charges against Assange primarily center on allegations of receiving and disclosing classified information, with 17 out of 18 counts directly tied to these actions. This scenario marks a pivotal shift in the legal treatment of whistleblowers and raises critical discussions about the boundaries of legal protections afforded to journalistic practices. Concerns are mounting regarding the potential consequences of prosecuting Assange for actions that could be construed as journalistic endeavors. The implications of such legal actions could set a precedent impacting not only individuals but also reputable publications such as The New York Times and The Guardian, raising profound ethical inquiries about the sanctity of press freedom. Lastly, the involvement of the Australian government remains paramount, with persistent calls for intervention to safeguard Assange, an Australian citizen, from extradition. Notably, political support for Assange transcends party lines, emphasizing the inherently political dimensions of his complex case.